Top meat grinders for home and residential kitchen. Number 6. Superhandy No. 8 Meat Grinder. Pros: stainless steel body and parts. Can perform heavy-duty operation. High speed. Circuit breaker integrated. Can grind the bones. Cons: expensive. Bulky and heavy. Number 5. Kitchener Elite 370W No. 8 Meat Grinder. Pros: higher grinding speed. Sausage stuffing mode available. Metal gear included. Air cooling system ensures longevity. Stainless steel grinder head. Cons: not for heavy duty. Motor power is not that much. Number 4. Sunmile SMG73 Meat Grinder. Pros: inexpensive. It costs below $100. Powerful motor. Stainless steel cutting blades and plate. Reverse motion option. Lightweight and compact. Cons: plastic gear. Replacement parts are not easily available. Number 3. Lem Products 1158 Mighty Bite Electric Meat Grinder. Pros: permanently lubricated motor. 3 different speed option. Large meat pan. Metal gear included. Smoother operation. Cons: it does not support attachments such as tenderizer or jerky slicer. Aluminum-made body and head. Number 2. Kitchen Basics Manual Meat Grinder. Pros: suction cup at the bottom ensures stability. Pasta making facility. Dishwasher safe. Lightweight. It weighs only 2 pounds. Inexpensive. Cons: slow operational speed. Not sturdy. Number 1. STX TurboForce Classic 3000. Pros: included with a big grinding head. Provides a lot of free accessories. Higher motor power. Bigger meat tray. Better control. Cons: not dishwasher safe. Not the best for bones. So, which meat grinder for home is suitable for you? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. To read the full article, please visit our website. You can find the link in the description. Thank you. Have a good day.